What's up guys, it's John. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to use Stable Diffusion on an AMD GPU, or really any GPU. It could be Intel or Nvidia or AMD, whatever you have. This one runs on anything. It's called SD.Next. So to do this, you need Git installed. If you don't know how to install Git, you can go ahead and look that up. You're going to copy the link here. You're going to go to whatever folder you want to download this to. Then open up a terminal there. Then you could do git clone the repo, and then once that's there, you can go ahead and open this, and all you have to do is run webui.bat if you're on Windows. If you're on Linux, then you're gonna want to run the shell script. So I'm going to go ahead and run the web UI because we're obviously on Windows here. It's going to go ahead and create a new Python virtual environment, and it's going to install everything here. You are going to need Python installed. It looks like the version of Python they're using is 3.10.13. By the way, I will put links to everything you need in the description, so you can just go there and follow those links. Okay, so now that this is loaded, we can go ahead and click on this URL. You're going to want to control click that. So then it'll open up the program. So we first need to load a model. So we are going to go ahead and do, we'll do Dream Shaper. Let's see. So we loaded this Dream Shaper model. You may have noticed that there's already an image on the screen. It's because I was trying out a different model and it wasn't very good. So I had to try a few things, but in this example, I have success. And then basically what we do here is put in a prompt and a negative prompt and then generate the image. I also tweaked a couple settings down below on the left side. Alright, so there you go. With a little tweaking, we get a way better image. There's probably a lot more I could do, like changing the resolution, or just making a better prompt in general, or changing the sampler. So go ahead and experiment, and yeah, that's how you run Stable Diffusion on any GPU.